Hello, and welcome back to another video of World AI News. Artificial intelligence isn't just a distant futuristic idea anymore. It's become a crucial part of our daily lives. From the moment we open our eyes in the morning to when we hit the hay at night, AI is silently at work in the background, improving and simplifying different parts of our everyday routines. How exactly has AI shaped our daily experiences, and what can we expect in the future? Stick around until the end to discover more. It's no secret that artificial intelligence is becoming more prevalent in our lives, manifesting in both subtle and extravagant ways. With the continuous development and integration of AI-driven technology, many people are still uncertain about whether it will ultimately be an advantage or not. To grasp this, it's crucial to distinguish between human intelligence and machine intelligence. Human intelligence involves a range of abilities: reasoning, problem-solving, abstract thinking, quick learning, and drawing lessons from experience. On the flip side, machine intelligence operates based on a set of instructions without the ability to adapt. It follows codes explicitly. Now, where does artificial intelligence fit in? AI lands somewhere in between these two extremes. It combines the capability to interpret codes and predefine instructions with the ability to learn and adapt from data, thanks to what we call machine learning. Movies like I, Robot, Ex Machina, Chappie, The Terminator, Her, and even the animated film Mitchell vs. the Machines delve into the realm of artificial intelligence. These films explore the possibility of future robots resembling humans, performing various tasks. Some portray a darker side to this world, while others offer a more optimistic perspective. But don't picture artificial intelligence as something distant from your everyday reality. Despite how movies and science fiction might portray AI, the reality is that a significant portion of the population interacts with AI applications on a daily basis. How? Well, think about when you fire up Netflix and you're greeted with a slew of movie recommendations based on your past watches. That's the magic of applied artificial intelligence. Or when you're ordering from Uber Eats and they lay out the entire route and estimated delivery time. That's AI at work too. Even as you scroll through your Instagram feed, though it may be more subtle, you're already experiencing AI in action. Now, let's delve into some of the ways in which artificial intelligence not only impacts, but will likely continue to influence our day-to-day lives very soon. Smart homes. Much like our smartphones, our homes are getting a dose of smart. Thermostats are getting savvy, learning our preferences and daily routines to welcome us back with the perfect temperature after a day out. Some fridges are stepping up their game, creating shopping lists based on what's missing and even suggesting wine pairings for your dinner. And let's not forget those voice-controlled digital assistants that connect to all your smart gadgets. A simple "more lights" and voila, your wish is their command. But here's the catch: these smart homes come with their own set of risks. The heating that used to work with the manual turn switch was immune to hacking. Now, with the internet-connected version, it's not as secure. Your old-school fridge was content with just keeping things cold, but its smart counterpart might decide to dabble in cryptocurrency mining on the side without giving you a heads up. It's a brave new world of convenience, but with a few digital pitfalls to watch out for. AI in business and medicine. Artificial intelligence isn't just a household convenience, it's a game changer for businesses. Predictions suggest that by 2035, AI could double the annual economic growth rate by reshaping the nature of work and establishing a new dynamic between humans and machines. The impact extends to companies, with AI technologies projected to boost labor productivity by up to 40%. Fundamentally altering work processes and emphasizing the crucial role of people in driving business growth. In the medical field, artificial intelligence is emerging as a life-saving force. Hospitals like Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles are pioneering the use of AI software to analyze the heart and predict heart attacks before they happen. Beyond diagnostics, robotic surgery assistants are taking the forefront, aiding surgeons by handling necessary instruments during procedures, showcasing the potential for AI to revolutionize healthcare practices. Environmental impacts. Artificial intelligence isn't just about convenience and productivity, it's also a potential savior for the environment. With growing concerns about climate change and pollution, AI-powered robots and devices are being developed to clean up our surroundings. Advanced software enables robots to distinguish between living organisms and pollutants like oil and hazardous waste. Additionally, smart software is directly combating air pollution in fuel-burning plants, identifying and capturing harmful gases before they reach our lungs. Personalized shopping. Ever wonder how Amazon seems to read your mind, suggesting those white Nikes you were just contemplating? Well, the secret lies in the widespread use of AI technology by online shopping sites. These platforms analyze your browsing history, preferences, and interests, even keeping tabs on your interactions with other apps and websites. With the power of AI, brands can sift through massive amounts of data, predicting your behavior and offering tailored recommendations. This level of intelligence is the key to providing a personalized shopping experience, making it incredibly convenient for consumers. However, the flip side raises concerns about the sheer amount of data tech companies collect and how this profiling, fueled by financial interests, could potentially work against us. Digital voice assistants. Digital voice assistants have become a common tool in our daily lives, present in most smartphones. They allow users to perform searches using voice commands and retrieve information through voice synthesis. Many households in developed countries also have standalone digital voice assistants that help with tasks like turning on, off the radio, ordering train tickets, or sending messages to family and friends. Despite their widespread use, concerns about their safety persist. There have been reports of digital voice assistants sending as many as 1,700 personal audio files to unintended recipients or recording private conversations and sharing them with random numbers from the address book without user permission. The end of solitude. The days of taking a break off the grid and completely disconnecting from the digital world might be numbered. For AI to truly understand its user, a constant stream of visible and hidden data collecting sensors needs to be in operation around the clock. Even if you physically distance yourself, your digital footprint could instantly unveil your whereabouts. Privacy concerns could surface without well-defined terms and conditions, and the security systems may remain susceptible to hacking. While you might still have the option to voluntarily turn off your AI, doing so could raise red flags, potentially prompting further scrutiny into your behaviors. Sex robots. Although you might not have come across them in real life yet, AI-powered sex toys are making their way into the market. The inventors and producers argue that these devices are harmless and in fact can have therapeutic benefits, helping address negative mental health outcomes. Some proponents even suggest that such robots could potentially reduce instances of sexual harassment and related offenses by providing an outlet for excessive urges. However, cautionary voices from scientists and experts, including those from St. George's University Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust in London and the Women's Health Academic Centre at King's College London, stress that these optimistic perspectives lack solid scientific evidence. There's a concern that the widespread use of such robots might normalize harmful behavior. Additionally, sex robots raise serious issues related to privacy, anonymity, and the risk of being targets for cyber hacks and blackmail. Google Internet Search. For most of us, a day without a Google search for answers or must-have products is unimaginable. The magic that allows search engines to sift through the vast internet and present precisely what we're looking for? Well, that's the handiwork of artificial intelligence. Those seemingly persistent ads tailing you? Yeah, they're AI-driven, crafted from your search history, personalized to match your interests, all in the hopes of showcasing items the algorithms think you'll cherish. As Google becomes the behemoth of search engines, it wields substantial influence over the information we encounter and deem relevant. It also holds significant sway over companies attempting to sell you something. Whether they land in the 78th or 7th spot in the relevance rank can be a make or break scenario, determining whether a business thrives or faces collapse. The dominance of a search engine like Google extends beyond mere searches, shaping the digital landscape and impacting the fate of countless enterprises. Streaming apps. As the day winds down and it's time to unwind, a lot of us find solace in streaming services like Netflix. Behind the scenes, the company's recommendation engine, fueled by artificial intelligence, delves into your viewing history to curate suggestions tailored to your taste, spanning genres, actors, time periods, and more. It even gets granular, considering the specific time of day you're watching and what you typically enjoy during that time frame. While this personalized touch can make your viewing experience more tailored, it also has its risks. Recommendation systems by nature may inadvertently disclose personal details such as your sexual or political preferences to anyone catching a glimpse of your screen. As artificial intelligence strides forward, It's imperative to confront ethical issues, safeguard data privacy, and champion transparency and accountability in its deployment. Continuous research, testing, and collaboration among tech firms, policymakers, and the broader society will be instrumental in unlocking the complete potential of AI. What are your thoughts on this? Don't hesitate to share your comments below. If you want to stay in the loop, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And hey, while you're here, give that like button a little love and switch on notifications. Thanks for being a part of this thrilling tech journey with us. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing updates.